Good evening, everyone. Welcome to RadioSilentPlay.com. I am your moderator for today on Saturday, May 30th, 2015. Let me start off by saying I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own due diligence before trading any stock or options. Trading stocks and options require lots of risk. So we're going to go over the OTCs for the week ending on May 29th, 2015, starting off with ticker symbol AURI. This is a stock that was sent out on a buy zone from 10 to 11. That's 0.001, okay, to 0.0013. Okay, we usually call these probability trades. Why? Because if you're buying from 0.001 to 13, you're guaranteeing a stop close below 10 on two consecutive closes, okay, with a 20 to 30% risk assessment. This stock actually pulled back, and the stock ended up closing at 0008. Since it was a one-day close, we weren't stopping out on the trade. Okay, the following day, we had a huge news on shares locked up and new business developments over in China. Okay, this stock eventually just rallied, it's just surged, and yesterday on Friday saw a huge move up to 0.0104. This was quite a significant move, over 800%, and just gave an opportunity for close to a 10 bagger. Now what we're looking for, if we're entering this stock again, we're looking for what I call a bullish inside flag pattern. Okay, currently the 21-day moving average is at 0.003 and the 8-day moving average is at 0.002. With that high and the close near the low of 0.004, we may test this level here, which I made it into a box entry here. If you're looking to kind of look to buy this stock, watch the support levels and watch any kiss into this box. I think it will be a good entry. Just ensure that you have your stop close near your buy entry. If you're looking to enter the stock near that 0.0025 to 0.0035, okay, maybe you want to place your stop with a stop close below 0.0025 on two consecutive closes, depending on where your entry is. But I do feel that this is going to see a slight correction, maybe a little bit of a bullish inside flag pattern. They did say they locked up 65 million float, so the stock does have potential to move higher. Okay, just nonetheless, we gave the setups when nobody wanted it. I usually say you want to enter a stock, okay, when the stock is hated or when the stock is not being, it's insignificant. I like buying it around this range. Okay, this was a box pattern. We were looking at consolidation here, a rounded bottom, and this is where RSP was adding. We saw a tweet the other day, and it said, "Oh, okay, front loaders. They were talking about front loaders, or they mentioned something of that nature." I call that smart trading. Okay, you usually want to buy the stock before the crowd, and once the stock starts moving, you want to sell into that rally. Okay, so just want to reiterate that that's it can be boring. It can be at times, buying stocks near master supports. It does take a little bit of time, but at the same time, it just plays out beautifully, especially in this scenario. Okay, the next stock is ARYC. This is a stock that was looking for a bottom. I posted this on the weekly watch list on Sunday. Okay, I was looking at that 0.003 to 35 level. Well, we kissed that 22 level, never closed below it. Okay, we never stopped out on this stock. Gave an entry, triggered 0.0022 to 26 on lows, and then we were talking about that pivot break of 0.005. We broke that, and now we're looking for a bit of consolidation. Just a beautiful move from this 22 level. We hit a high of 0.0169. Just a great move for the trade. It had some filings posted late in the day, and then the stock eventually rallied. Now what we're looking for is looking at the fib retrace levels. Okay, I'm looking at a potential buy area, okay, near this. I'm going to say that 0.004, okay, to 0.005 level. Okay, watch that level of support. If you do happen to bounce off this level, watch that 0.005 level for a bounce or a kiss at that 0.0042 to 0.005. Just place your stop close below that 0.004 on two consecutive closes. If it does close below it, you may test that bottom again, but just a great move on the ARYC. Okay, moving on, we talked about the QEDN. Okay, this was a stock that we kind of felt that it was bottomed. Okay, this stock triggered at 0006. We said we were buying anything near that buy zone. Okay, this was the setup that was given to traders when that 0006 hit, which was on here on May 27th or 26th, and then the stock ended up triggering and closing at the high of the day at 0.001. So it triggered at 0006, gave that entry from 7 to 10. Okay, we liked that entry. Okay, then it posted some news, and then the stock rallied and hit a high of that 0.0034 off that 0006 move. Just a beautiful move. Now what we're looking for is a potential pullback. Okay, look for that fib retrace level. Okay, if it does pull back, okay, watch that that 0.0013 to 0.0015 level, 0.0012 to 15 level. Okay, see where we get a little bit of a bullish inside flag pattern. Okay, we did manage to hit both our targets, but we're looking for a little bit of a consolidation, like right around there. Look for that 12 to 15 buy zones if it does get there. I think that's going to be a beautiful entry for the QEDN. Nonetheless, we did hit our target of this 0.002, and then we hit that target of 0.003. What we're looking for is a potential pivot break here at that 0.003334 high, okay, on 2 consecutive closes for a move higher. Okay, if you look at the QEDN, okay, this is the scene of the crime here. As I mentioned, that 13 level, every time it hits that 13 level, we see a nice move. And right now, we're trading above that 13 level. So watch that 0.0013 to 17 level. I think that's going to be a nice opportunity for re-entry here on the QEDN. Okay, looking at the COTE, this was a stock that we talked about, the 0.001 to 13 buy zones. Okay, we saw a lot of selling into the bid, but the stock managed to close at the high of the day, 18, and the high of the week, 18. Okay, just a beautiful move from that 0.0012 entry. We're trading about 40 to 50, 60%. Okay, sometimes you got to take profits into the summer, but I do think we're setting up for around the bottom here on the COTE. The last news we saw was May 20th. The most advanced green internal combustion engine technology in the world starts its production and phase of operations in the USA. Okay, we saw a move with USO. Okay, oil is starting to make a reversal. So as oil starts picking up, you're gonna see these alternative energy type stocks catch a bid. So keep an eye on that COTE. Okay, if you do close above that 21 on 2 consecutive closes, you got to move up to that 0.005 level. Okay, so you do have some room on the COTE. There are some shares being sold, so just keep that in mind. Okay, the next stock is LBSR. Okay, this stock was actually triggered at 0.0015. We saw a test of that 22 level. We couldn't close at or above that level, but that's the next move to close above it. Okay, still in accumulation area. Okay, look for that pullback. Any pullback down to this 18 level, we're trading above that 8-day moving average. That's good. That's a good sign. What we're looking for is 2 consecutive closes above 22. If we do get there, you're looking at a move up to 0.0035 to about 0.005. So I like the risk reward here on the LBSR. Okay, this is another stock that I kind of mentioned in the chat room. Okay, we were talking about the LLBO. We were looking at this Bollinger Band inside Kellner channels looking extremely tight. We saw a little bit of a test or a break here at a high of 0.0023 from that 18 entry. What we're looking for is 2 consecutive closes above that 25. If you pivot close above that 25, you could see a move up to 0.0035 to 0.005. So this could be a breakout potential here. You're seeing a lot of accumulation here on the LLBO. Okay, moving on to another stock is the VGTL. Okay, this was a stock that we've been holding for quite some time. We added this from 16 to 25. Okay, the stock did break. Okay, it tested at 0.0038. Since then, it's tested at 21-day moving average and that 8-day moving average at 23.25. So it did have a nice pullback down to 21. Okay, it's still in a little bit of a consolidation pattern. What we're looking for is for this stock to kind of break. Okay, you're seeing a little bit of a channel here. So what we want to see is this channel kind of break. If it does break above it, we're looking for that break close above 0.0036 on 2 consecutive closes. If it does, then we're looking for that move to 0.005 to 0.01. Okay, so just keep your eye on the VGTL. IFXY, a little bit scary, okay, but the stock did pull back. Pretty much we regenerated or upgraded the stock. Okay, we did stop out on our first move. We stopped close below 15 on 2 consecutive closes. But now what we're looking at is a little bit of a bottom here. Okay, did test that 0007 level, and since then we're seeing a little bit of a bullish reversal candle here. Okay, so we had a low of 7. Okay, we had higher low of 0008, and now we tested that 0.0012 and closed at the high of the day, and we're looking for a continuation here. Okay, this stock does have some news pending, so I do feel that this stock has the potential to move a little higher. Okay, so that is your OTC setups. Okay, this Sunday night we're gonna have Sunday night webinar at 10:15 p.m. Okay, for traders that want to join. Okay, there is a free button on radiosilentplay.com. You can try us out for free for a 30-day free trial. Just join at www.radiosilentplay.com. If you have any questions or comments, just please comment on the comment box down below. Okay, post any setups that you're looking at, and I'll review some of those charts over the webinar. If you have any questions on anything, just send me an email at radiosilentplay@gmail.com. Okay, I will shortly be doing an update on the option setups and also the small caps. Okay, take care, everyone.